XTM 4x4 accessories LED driving light. Produces up to 18,000 lumens of output. I think they're rated, claimed it's 175 or 185 watts. Apparently comes with, complete with plug and play wiring. That's good. So you get a whole kit. This is the other specs here. It's interesting, they quote here 18,000 lumens, 9,000 lumens each, so that's quoted as a pair. But when you look at other stuff here, like 10 amps, I can guarantee you that'll be per light. And here is each. Doesn't say each, that says for the pair, but they'd have to draw more than that, surely. And at 10 amps at 12 volts, that's pretty good, because I think most at about 14 volts normally draw about 10 or 11 amps. That'll probably draw roughly, what, 14 amps, 15 amps maybe? Could be wrong, but yeah. Alright, let's get them open and have a look. Alright, got them opened up. Let's have a look in here, what have we got? Now, these are on sale at the moment for $159 from BCF. Warranty. You can obviously pause it. It's probably just one-sided. Yeah. There's the warranty. Alright. Bit of foam. So it's a bit hard to do it with one hand. There we go. Okay, nice bit of packing. There we go. There's some. We'll spin that around though. Alright, so we got spotlight. Don't feel too bad. Reminisce of somewhere between a Super Center light and a normal eBay one. Take it out of the wrap, have a look. Okay, what have we got? It's probably the, is it the, what are they called, those valve air vent things? Gauze valve, whatever, it's something like. Ah, so it's a plug-in loom in the back. It doesn't actually have a cable hanging out. Okay. Couple of mount holes on the side. They're removable light covers, and they have a plastic film just to protect their logo. Branding is... Oh, okay. Hang on. Alright. Surprised there's no connection. I thought it was all wired. There's a short plug. Some rubber gaskets, that'd be for the mounting. Let's see if we can get this out. There it is. There we go. Looks, from memory, it's a while since we looked at the King's ones, but this looks similar. About the same, or a touch lighter. Looks pretty tidy coating and finish. Okay, oh, here we go. Hardware, the bolts. There's the other bolts. That'll be per light. You get some Allen keys in there. Appears to be stainless steel hardware and nylock nuts, so that's good. Spring washers. Very good. So you will need your spanner obviously for the nuts. There is nothing under there. There's nothing under there. There's no wiring. This box said there's no wiring in this, guys. I'm sure there's not. Yeah, look now. Nope. Nothing. Just those little bits. So this says comes complete with plug and play wiring. Okay. I can plug that, and there's a fair bit of playing with that end, isn't there? That's pretty misleading. Okay, that's alright. We've already got a harness in the car anyway. We can hook that up too, and we'll just have to do some tests and we'll check what the amp draws on that are, because I'm suspecting that's at minimum each, and that amp draw is going to be higher at 12 volts. Unless these aren't the 175 or 185, it depends what BCF ad you look at. I've seen two different watt ratings for these lights, that's the only thing. There's your size spec there. Anyway, let's get them on and we'll go from there. Good on you, eh? See you soon. I reckon they look better in the footage than what they do in person. Our eyes see stuff different to the camera lens. But yeah. That's about how it looks there in distance. Just adjust the colour, the brightness, that's about it. Yeah. Some people might fool you and put them up like that, but it's not real.